Welcome to my Nextlink Internet Provider review. Usage experience. Links to their products and plans can be found in the description below. In this video, I'll share an in-depth look at Nextlink's features, who they're designed for, and my personal experience using their services to help you decide if they're the right fit for your internet needs. Nextlink Internet is a hybrid provider offering fixed wireless and fiber internet solutions, catering to both rural and suburban areas. Known for bridging the digital divide, Nextlink delivers high-speed internet to underserved communities across Texas, Oklahoma, and several other states. Their service plans range from 25 Mbps to 1 GB, making them suitable for households of varying needs, whether it's basic web browsing, streaming, gaming, or supporting multiple devices simultaneously. One standout feature of Nextlink is its use of fixed wireless technology, which provides reliable internet access without requiring extensive infrastructure. This makes it an excellent choice for rural areas where traditional fiber or cable options aren't available. For those within their fiber zones, the service offers exceptional speed and stability. Their bundled packages, including TV and phone services, add value and convenience for customers. In my usage experience, Nextlink performed reliably with consistent speeds, especially in their fiber coverage areas. Streaming HD and 4K content, participating in video calls, and casual online gaming were all smooth, with minimal buffering or lag. For fixed wireless connections, the performance was good, though weather conditions occasionally caused minor disruptions, which is typical for this technology. Nextlink's customer service also deserves mention. Their local support team was responsive and helpful, addressing installation and troubleshooting needs efficiently. The professional installation process ensured optimal setup for the best possible connection. The main drawback is that their service quality can vary depending on your exact location and proximity to their infrastructure. Additionally, data caps may apply to some plans, so it's essential to review plan details carefully. Overall, Nextlink is a solid choice for rural and underserved areas seeking reliable high-speed internet. Check the links in the description for more details, and I hope this review has provided the clarity you need. Thanks for watching.